Hey guys, we all know that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. But can water actually boil at this room temperature? Let's test it out. I've got a small setup here. It includes a glass of water, a syringe, and a small sellotape to block the air to the syringe. Let's do a small experiment and figure out if we can boil water within room temperature. I'm going to fill the syringe with a small amount of water from the glass and then see what happens when we pull the plunger down, closing the nose. We're closing the nose so that air doesn't enter into the syringe. You can see the water is actually boiling now. The bubbles are getting formed and the water boils at room temperature. What changed? We didn't change the temperature. Let's understand the physics behind it. When I pull this plunger down, we reduce the pressure inside the syringe. That happens because of Boyle's law. According to Boyle's law, at constant temperature, pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So if we increase the volume, the pressure should reduce. That's what's happening in here. When we pull the plunger down, we are increasing the volume inside the syringe, but we are not letting any more air molecules to come through that nose. So according to this, the pressure inside the syringe has reduced. Boiling happens at 100 degrees Celsius for water. That's true, but that is at atmospheric pressure. Boiling actually happens when the vapor pressure of water is equal to the surrounding pressure. As we have decreased the surrounding pressure considerably low, the boiling can happen at a much lower temperature, and that's what is happening in this experiment. The exact opposite happens in a pressure cooker. Here, we reduce the pressure so that the boiling point is reduced and the water starts boiling at a lower temperature. In a pressure cooker, we increase the pressure and hence the boiling point of the water also increases, and hence the water will start boiling at a higher temperature, maintaining high amount of heat inside pressure cooker, making things cook faster. Again, same physics, better clarity, follow for more.